Alright guys, I'm back with another video. This is basically kind of like a length check on my hair. My 180 waves, I've been wolfing it for like 3 months, so I wanted to show you guys. This is also a hard brush, and yeah man, I'm just going to show you guys. And then this is also my Snapchat right there. Make sure you add me on Snapchat if you have any questions. Let me know what the question is. I'll answer it fast as I can, and you guys have been doing that, so make sure you add me, ask me any questions. I can get right back to you. But let's get right into the video. So my hair is long as hell, man. Like my hair is really long to me. It's not normally, this isn't the normal length that I normally have it, but I've been woofing it for like 3 months, and I've been using that hard brush a lot. I believe that's a royalty brush, but I've been using that. That's just to kind of help me out, just make sure I get that pull in my hair. And then I also want to show you guys when my hair is like woofed, because I never woofed on this channel like for too long. So I do want you guys to let me know if I should continue to woof or if I should cut my hair off. I want to know if you guys are woofing as well, to help out with your definition and, like, you know, your wave pattern. So I definitely want to see if I should keep woofing, or, you know, I want to see if you are making progress if you're woofing with me. So yeah man, I've just been growing my hair. I've been brushing like crazy. I have been getting a lot of questions because people have been seeing my hair at different it's been kind of more like a natural state, but I still have waves. It's just that sometimes it gets really, it curls up, and I'll sometimes wear it like that, but I'll pat it back down and make sure I wear my do-rag and everything too. So I do wear my do-rag every night. That's a big deal. That is a huge deal. If you're trying to woof, it's going to be really, really difficult, or you're going to feel like you're not making any progress if you do not wear a do-rag. Another thing is too, I use olive oil. Olive oil definitely helps with the shine and moisturizing your hair and your scalp, because you don't want a dry scalp as well. So olive oil just penetrates through your hair, like through your scalp. Make sure everything's like nice and smooth and shiny. So I highly recommend you try that. No, well, you should have that already. Like, honestly, if you watch my videos, just make sure you have that. Like, that's just a mandatory item to have. So just make sure you pick that up if you haven't. But you should have it, honestly. But I just been brushing my my royalty, and then I also been combing a little bit. But honestly, the hard brush for me personally has been doing a lot better. But the combing, it lifts up my hair, but the brush, it just it connects it better. I've been shower brushing as well. Like, when I feel like my hair is like really, really thick and needs a lot more moisture, what I'll do is I'll hop in the shower and then I'll just start brushing my hair. That's also been helping me out a lot with my connections. So yeah, I just been making sure I wear my do-rag, shower brush, and then stay up to date with my routine. But you want to make sure you have a hard brush. You want to make sure you have a wave brush too. I said another big thing is make sure you have like a longer brush. Do not use a smaller brush if you're just starting out, especially. Make sure you use a wave brush, and you're gonna be all right, man. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Like, I can answer the questions for you. It's not that difficult to me. And I definitely been where you're at, and I'm always growing too. So I'm always learning, and I'm always just like here to help, basically. So if you have any questions, Snapchat me and I'll get back to you. Make sure you use olive oil. Again, those I really, really want to press that is use olive oil. Use a good brush, and you guys will be good. I also have like a clip of me comb my hair too. Like, if you want to see kind of like the length of it when it's combed, here it is. It's my hair is so long, man. I kind of want to cut it, but I'm gonna do a self cut. That should be like my next couple videos. Like, I'm gonna cut it myself. But yeah, my hair's just thick. But woofing, it's good. I'm still getting progress, and I'm trying to see how long I can go with it. So thank you for watching my video, and I'm pretty much out.